Understanding restore points in cloud backup.
Restore points are snapshots of your data captured at specific moments in time by cloud backup services. They allow you to recover files or entire systems as they existed when the restore point was created. This feature is crucial for undoing unwanted changes, recovering from accidental deletions, or restoring after malware incidents.
How restore points are created.
Cloud backup services usually create restore points on a scheduled basis or when significant changes occur. Some services let you create them manually. Each restore point stores the state of your files and data at that exact moment, often using incremental backups to save only new or changed information, which saves storage space.
Recovering data using restore points.
When you need to recover data, you can select a specific restore point from your cloud backup service. This returns your files and folders to how they were at that time. You can restore individual files or perform a complete system recovery, depending on the cloud service's features.
Why restore points are important.
Restore points provide a safety net against data loss. If files are accidentally deleted, corrupted, or compromised by malware, you can use a restore point to revert to a safe state. This minimizes downtime and helps ensure business continuity or personal data protection, making cloud backups far more reliable.
Best practices for using restore points.
To make the most of restore points, schedule regular backups and retain multiple restore points for flexibility. Understand your service provider's retention policies, as older restore points may be deleted. Always test the recovery process to ensure you can restore data quickly when needed.